Mars, right? It takes a year to go around the sun. It takes a year. It takes 6 months to get to the sun. This is what they're telling us. Our planet is going around the sun. It's daytime on the part of Earth that's facing the sun. There's no way this side of Earth is nighttime when the sun is on the inside. Nighttime is always on the outside.
Right.
It's always on the outside.
Right.
So we're looking like, so if I'm right here,
Right.
we're looking at the nighttime,
Yeah.
and all the stars over here
Right.
on this side of the room.
Right.
But on the other side of the sun, there's a bunch of other stars, right? Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
I could only see this side of the universe.
Okay.
Right? But when in 6 months, when I'm on this side, I could only see at night. It's only night when this side is facing out. So I only could see this side of the room, right? So we got all these stars over here that we're seeing at night.
All right.
6 months later, we're seeing all those stars, right?
Right.
And then 6 months later back, we're seeing all those stars, right? So there should be, at every 3 months or 6 months, there should be a different set of stars.
Constellation, yeah.
We shouldn't see the same constellation.
See the same constellation every time.
Why do we see the Big Dipper
Every night.
every night?
Yes.
Werner von Braun was Hitler's right-hand man. He was his rocket scientist, and after World War II, the United States took about 1,200 Nazi scientists, including Operation Paperclip. They took all these Nazi scientists, and they took Werner von Braun, and he's the head of NASA.
Yeah,
he
people don't realize that.
directed all 6 moon missions.
They don't
And when he died, he had cancer for about a couple years before he died. And when he got cancer, during the last 4 years of his life, he hired this woman, Dr. Carol Roslin. She said that he told her they're creating enemies. They need to create enemies. There's going to be terrorists from the Middle East, and then there's going to be the threat of an asteroid. They need, according to Werner von Braun,
Like a crisis.
They need a crisis. They need a reason to start a Star Wars project, like a weaponized space. And Werner von Braun told Dr. Carol Roslin, look that shit up. She'll tell you right out of her mouth. She said that he told her over and over again, the final threat is a fake alien invasion, and it's going to be a lie. He made it clear to the day he died. They're just...
I mean, some people that were involved in the creation of NASA was Jack Parsons.
And what isn't he a Satanist?
A Satanist.
And what about
Walt Disney too?
Walt Disney and Werner von Braun were
Nazis.
They were boys. And that's why you go to Disneyland, and it's Space Mountain, and Disneyland was big in pushing space and getting space into
Guess who else
everyone's head.
had something to do with it? L. Ron Hubbard. Nobody talks about that because L. Ron Hubbard was
science fiction writer,
best friends with Jack W. Parsons, and L. Ron Hubbard ended up banging Jack's wife, and it just caused chaos.
Throw Anton LaVey in there, the founder of the Satanic Church.
Aleister Crowley, dog, was a big friend of all
When
that.
you start putting all those characters together in the same fucking room,
I can't wait to hear
it
Aaron.
makes sense. It makes sense.